What is up, everybody? It's Ian here with Miller Garage. I hope everyone is doing good. We're all dealing with this whole world imploding on itself thing. 2020 has been an interesting one. But I hope everybody's doing good, staying safe. Hopefully, here in Texas, we will be getting back to some degree of normalcy some point soon. We'll see. But I am still cracking away on Airstreams, and life never slows down with us, especially whenever you have 5 crazy boys running around. I'm out here in the shop just wrapping up the day, and my shop is an absolute disaster. I am ready for this thing to go away so that I can clean and organize. I'm going to epoxy the floors, and there's going to be a whole video series coming up on what I'm going to do with the shop. And it's going to be like the ultimate garage build. Really excited. But this thing's almost done. I just have a few tiny little things to do, like some running lights in the back, and then wipe the whole thing down for its photo and video shoot that I'll be doing, obviously, to reveal it completed. I have some more Airstreams coming that I'm also in the works of talking to people about. It's been crazy. I appreciate I've had so many people reaching out to me. If I haven't responded to you, I am sorry. I have like a million things going on, so please be patient or understand. I can't answer every single question. I would love to, but as you can guess, my life is a little bit crazy. But we have an announcement to share with you. So I'm going to walk back over to the house and we'll talk about that. It's exciting. Wait, hold on. That's not the announcement. Don't look over there. That is that's an announcement for a different video. So that's not. Don't worry about it. You didn't see anything. Just going to walk past that. What's up?
Nothing much. What's up with you?
I was just going to tell them our big surprise.
Oh, really?
Yeah, is that okay?
I mean,
So like it says in the title, our family is growing. And one of the questions that we get asked so much is, are you going to have any girls? And the answer to that, okay, let's try this again. As you can tell, I'm wearing a different shirt because I was filming the video yesterday, and right in the middle where we cut off there, a kid came running up, and he had just been impaled in the head with a stick, and he had like blood running down his face. And in hindsight, I probably should have recorded it, but obviously, I want to take care of the kid that's bleeding. So this is what happens whenever you have a lot of boys: is they get sticks and they throw them at each other, and then blood everywhere. But back to what I was talking about. So, as the video title said, our family is growing. Now, no. Oh, I may have given it away a little bit. We are not having another baby. But we do have 10 new additions to our family. And we figured we needed some gender support for Lauren. So we got 10 girls. And let me bring you over here. But here are the new members of our family. We have some chicks that we got about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And they're going to be laying eggs for us, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to get the tripod set up and grab one of them and talk a little bit more. Oh, my. Oh. So we got one of our girls here. We've been calling her Feisty because she is definitely one of the alphas out of the group. And these are salmon favoriole or whatever. I'm obviously butchering that, but they are egg layers, and we have all females in theory. appears to be the case. And they, like I said, they're about 3 weeks old. And our game plan right now, we have 10. And our game plan is to eventually build a flock of about 20 to 25 for egg laying. And then we're also going to be getting some meat chickens as well. Cover your ears. And we may start that soon, partially because of, just some of the possibility of meat supply shortages and whatnot with the coronavirus and all that, but we're not 100% sure. You're being chatty. What's up? It's funny, I'm actually really enjoying this. I wasn't initially sure how I was going to feel about having chicks and animals and all of that, but it's been really fun, and I'm actually I've been the one that's kind of playing with them the most and stuff, but yeah, I've been working on a chicken coop, got that started. Need to get that finished up here in the next few weeks. I know, you're out of your element. It's very different. I know this is not super, garage related, but it's just exciting. And oh God, we're good. We're good. Said she's a bit feisty. Hey, chill. You're all good. You're all good. Okay, I need to probably go ahead and put you back up. Oh. Okay. She's over it. Hey. So that is our news, and that is the new addition to our family. The boys are loving it. Me and Lauren are loving it, and we're probably going to be growing the size of our homestead and all this kind of stuff because we really want to get completely self-reliant, as much as we can. Obviously, there are certain things we can't do, can't grow. Love to be able to have cattle, but just not quite enough room. So we're excited. I'm going to show you guys the coop as I'm working on it some, and the finished product and all that stuff. That's going to be pretty cool. So from our family to yours, we hope that you stay safe and you be smart. I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Feel free to reach out. I will try to respond to everybody. Like I said, it's hard sometimes with everything we have going on. So I hope you understand and don't get your feelings hurt. And we will see you next week.